This 2015 Jayco Eagle Premier 375 BHFS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 11, refrigerator, microwave, TV, air conditioning, skylight, slide-out, oven, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Jayco Eagle Premier 375 BHFS is 13,005 pounds. This 2015 Jayco Eagle Premier 375 BHFS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.